are in an office. And so a lot of times when we are decorating offices, you want like that unified look with books, and you want them to look all sleek and chic and all the things, but sometimes it's hard to find books that all match. So what do you think about this look? They have taken off the covers, and so you get like the raw natural look on the end. They're all different, but still cohesive. It's different, it's earthy, has a very natural tone, so you can see all the books are like that. So like this one, the tweed used to be blue, this one used to be red, this one used to be green, but because they've taken off the covers and now it's all like a natural raw look, it looks cohesive. How do you feel about this? Cast your votes below as a decorating tip and let me know what you think, and I hope everyone is living just fancier.